But London, you happy, man. Give me the dance, then. Give back the dance. Give back the dance. Run back the dance.
Okay, do it again.
Do it again. Imagine somebody never did that look. They never catch it. Bust back the dance. Bust the dance. Give them a dance. Bust the dance. Hey, 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 hey. Can I make a video? You see, me mind my own business, so no one.
That you say, yeah, you want $251 Jamaica walk by PD. You know it going out thing loud. $50 charge, $50 charge. I need a fancy $50 and $100. $50 charge, $50 charge, $50 charge. Charge. Ready, $50 charge, lady. They are $50. Lady, them charge, they are $50. Lady, what you doing on all charge? What you doing on them back then charge? $50 charge.
We have it.
VX and the boom, man.
That is it.
Boom.
What is
VX and the boom.
When the boom?
No, turn up the girl and boom, boom.
Boom, boom. Ah!
Security is a normal alive. Ball! Ball! Bossy back!
SC Productions.
At the road tech, right?
What is it? Royal Tech?
Yeah, road tech. Thank y'all.
So yes, massive big up every time. You don't know, welcome to all. Welcome all my Jamaica walk by massive. You don't know, big up to another episode. You don't know, my office a big up to my own episode. You see? So right now we're currently there 6 Mile right on the bridge. Looking for liner, man. Not care that down there, man. I bridge you there, and we're there 6 Mile. I'm going to walk the entire Washington Boulevard straight up to Constant Spring Road. Yo, massive, it's going to be a dread video. It's going to be a long video and a normal chop. It's going to be a serious video, so I'm not waste of time. So before me even head into that, I just want to big up the entire Jamaica walk by viewers and subscribers. So we're going to start off a walk from up here, so Zine. So hear me now, man, we have back a June. And I just want to big up Big Daddy E and the entire OIO June repair shop. You see me, I say massive, and them have a chop. So you don't know, let me share the story with you how we get back a June and a brand new June. And a joke thing. See? So hear me now, man. I could do it like this. So I go chop it through here, so I take a shortcut, massive. Yeah. Road, joke. Alright. Yeah. So massive. Whoa, that hill is steep. Alright, we are go down the hill. You don't know, so we're not playing now. We're serious with the chop. Alright, so you don't know, big up. Whoa, yeah. We are go down it. So big up some people. You don't know. Big Daddy E. So right about now, Big Daddy E reach out to me after I realize what I'm going with the June. say the Joan get a bird strike and mash up and thing and basing. So him said to me, say, yo, send it forward. Make we see if we can fix it and send it back to you. So yeah man, so hear me now, some people did actually send donations and things. So we use the donation and them thing there. We send back the drone, go to America. You see me? When Big Daddy E received the drone and thing, you know, say, the man say, yo, it makes sense to fix that drone now. We can get a brand new drone. So I'm link up with the team now at our drone repair. And the man then start out a brand new drone and send me back a brand new drone free of cost, massive. Who could it be but Jah? You see me I say massive? Yeah, just like that, no joke. We get back a brand new drone on the channel, you see me? So me there underneath the bridge. So we got the entire drone repair. Our drone repairs. You don't know? Me actually have on my shirt. Wait, let me see if we can turn it on me there. Here. See it there? Our drone repair. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Big up Big Daddy Ito. So we're there in the street. You see me? So me have on two sponsors closing today. So me have on Extreme Arts. So the cap is from Extreme Arts, yeah. And we have Ohio drone repair. So them also send me a t-shirt. You don't know? Mad love, mad respect. So big up all Ohio massive, big up Big Daddy E. You don't know? You're the real general, you're the real G. So back in the video, so massive, you don't know. Me glad to me whatever I'm doing, persons are appreciating it and them are reach out and them are support. So big up every time. So those are the drive me need to go far and to go fast and to do more things. So yeah, 6 mile massive as you can see, Kingston, Jamaica. Place clean and nice. Oh yes. So I say it's a long walk. So we are going to jump in and walk. Probably night I'll catch up on the walk because I don't in the evening. Because I not wait for the sun go down a little bit because trust me, the sun dread. And a joke thing and a couple miles we are going to walk. You see me? Yeah. So big up to all my massive if you just join in. Big up every time. Woo, 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 woo. We outside. Yeah. So big up all the massive again. Zin, remember follow us on Instagram at Jamaica Walk By. Also on TikTok at Jamaica Walk By TV. Zin? Yeah. Big up Lexi every time. You see me I say we outside. Yeah man. So remember anybody persons always asking me, yeah man, you can donate to PayPal. The link is actually below in the description. Or we have super chat now. So when the video is premiering, you can always send your tokens via the live chat on the premiere. That's the side of the video or below on your phone. Zin? Yeah, and you can send the donations there as well. You see? No joke. Yeah man. So big up all USA massive, all Colombia massive, all England, UK massive. You don't know. Big up all of my Spanish friends them, you see? Big up all of the well-known ones them. You don't know. Our next driving video massive, you don't know, we're gonna let persons call in us on WhatsApp and we're gonna just reason with some person while we drive and hear what persons want to say and stuff like that, and then we're gonna post the video with everything, every conversation as a reason. So we will update you guys as to that. See? To our next driving video, and we're gonna promise you that we have a list that we're gonna use to big up the people them. Oh, you don't know, always on the channel supporting. Alright? Yeah man. So let's do this. You know it's not a narrating video, but we just go walk and chat with some people and things. So a Washington Boulevard now man. Yeah. So these videos are for the persons who really appreciate them type of relaxed walk. If you want to see what Jamaica is like if you're on the ground in some of these areas and things, you see it? So these videos go for who love these type of video and love yard, you know what I mean? Just love Jamaica on a whole and everything that Jamaica has to offer, you see me? Yeah, massive. I don't even sure what the name of the community over there, but yeah, we are go through. I know say I'm gonna love that video. I just feel it already. Because it's a serious walk, so you know me not itch, I yet the step. I see how the knapsack, I know, so you have to go run it, you know. You have to go run it. Yeah, massive. Few fruits vendor here. Good evening, big up every time. You don't know Jamaica walk by. I know me a pass through, I see when I get on a laugh. When I laugh, see away the man. Yeah man, I laugh, see away man. So Jamaica walk by, you don't know, so we are natural because we in our street though. Everything I go on, so you don't know camera roast here, so we massive me. I see pine over here, so I see orange over here, so tomatoes. So watch a Washington Boulevard market this.
Yes.
I have it.
Yeah, man.
I don't know about them banana here. Where's the fish over here, sir? You know about I want to banana here, can hold for my shoulder. Can hold for my shoulder.
You don't know, you have to try and carry.
Is it from the buy me just go with it?
Yeah.
How much for a banana you know? How much for 12 for the sell by dozen?
Yeah, man.
How much for dozen banana you know? Come the big boss, it's supposed to dip on the tip of the tongue, you know. Tip 2 bills a banana massive. A simple chat that you know. See skelly and hot pepper, you know. When I eat the pepper like a fruit, you know, the ramp with it, dead you over dead. Now play with the job. Mama, we are say?
Hot it hot.
We are going with one so.
Hot it hot.
And the idea,
Orange.
see it there? Aki.
Jelly.
See, look like a drink of jelly there, man.
No, something.
Big up somebody, mama. Big up somebody.
Big up my daughter, my grandchildren.
Oh, what's your daughter name?
Darren.
Big up Darren. Darren from where?
Darren from Kingston.
Big up Darren from Kingston. I don't know. Mommy who? Mommy who? Wait name?
Mommy Higgins.
Mommy Higgins said big up my daughter Darren and all of my grandchildren.
Yeah,
that is it them. You know, we say big up somebody now, man. Not never run over. He must get couple youth. How much youth you get? Oh, your wife? Oh, no, elbow bunks, man. That is it. You see how your teeth are white and pretty in the hair and underneath the felt. Watch out, no? Yeah, massive. Watch his smile. Sweet. You go on. I feel that my name or some mistake. Let me go in the car then. So you can check out the channel at Jamaica Walk By. That is it. You want to?
Yes.
Alright, see ya. You know, big up somebody. Big up your daughter, man.
Yes.
Big up your son, man.
Yes.
Your son.
Pick up all of my customers, Easter now. Easter, I say. Easter, we're all around there. I'm here.
Come on, man. Quick
Come
sale.
on, I'm here. Quick, yes.
Quick sale, small profit.
Same way it goes. Quick
Friday
sale.
we're there, same.
Friday.
Holiday,
Where's that? Friday?
Yeah, food with cook.
So you are you selling fish them too?
No, she said.
You sell fish too?
Yes, I sell fish.
Oh, what kind of fish I got?
Sea fish, all different types. Parrot, jack, hargis, snapper, doctor fish, you name them.
Listen, we have a parrot fish, we have a goat fish, we have a... Hey, Bula! Hey, don't play either, man. That is it, that's how we see it. We all I love my country. I mean, I show the people them say, regardless of everything we go on, we still can bust back a joy. A peace and love we say same way, no matter what they want to do. Everything else I go on every other country. Papa, we say I come by?
Yes.
You hear me? Tell me we are, Papa. Talk to me.
No.
Anyway, I'm going to people that start selling and people that start buying and them kind of joy them bring, you know. You understand me I say? You see all the over there say you hide the face, look for that, you go and big up yourself, elbow bunks now, man. And that is it, me make you go and sell. So big up every time. What the community your name again? New Wave and Duhaney Park up there, so. So massive.
Right here, sir.
Right there, so. See there? So we're up on the ground massive and we are go through. So big up every time and keep safe, go and do it. Mad love, mad respect, see? Papa nobody go in there carrying the alright, sir. Big up every time, mad love, see? See? Yeah, massive, you don't know me. Anyway, I'm going on the vibes, you know. We love the country, not true. We are go through now, man. Over there, so get pretty, you know. Yeah. I have a reason with some of my people, them. I do have to say a long walk, but Jano, we can't make it walk just. You know? We have to put like a pep in it. Over there so look like it just cut and thing. Just want a little clean up, you know. And it babble down. Yes, sir. April 8th, Stunt Fest. The Black Crew. National Stadium Kingston. Free promotion same way. April 8th, Stunt Fest. Yeah, man. Yep, in our step. So on my right over there is Koville Gardens. Yeah. So I don't know Koville Gardens. Oh, strictly 2K throw back. Another party here. Saturday, April 8th again. What is that? I'm not switch out to that. The music by way. Oh, Plantation Cove, Ocho Race. Munga go there, you don't know. Yeah. Tech Pro JA. So we're moving along. So we're 15 minutes in massive. And we're going. Things that we can walk off the entire Washington Boulevard. Serious walk. But I'm not play, I just go walk. We just go showcase Jamaica, because Jamaica still nice. Yeah. Yeah, over there not fully open yet, but beautiful so far. It's a good look. Come in, man, you want to talk? You love the camera, you know, you must have a video. I said, yeah, sharp. What you want to say about yourself? Massive, so a fruit vendor, you right outside in the street. Him the right to do in the park. I much up all like fruits them in a man.
man.
See that? Fire bun. See that? See that great Jamaican apple man have in a man. Watch it. Fresh and nice. Watch it.
Man.
See that man a house in the street.
Man.
See what the man name?
Double voice man, the street of man. We can't get one tune.
Drop it fast.
As we reach up on the hilltop before the promised land, one day look me sail back up on the bow of Satan.
Hey.
Come here to me double voice, so you run it from.
Hey.
Bow down to me and serve me one. Now me get mad, I get ignorant. Go a madman, what them call Satan. Massacre that what me serve, just him one. Pick up at me 2 foot in a me hand.
Hey, salute! Salam! Hold them fire! Ah, thing, go and sell it up. We there. Yeah! Mad thing. So see it there? Koville Gardens over there, so Duhaney Park. Side. So we now go over Duhaney Park in another video after you don't know a feature Duhaney Park already. So you can always check out that video there. So right now it's all about Washington Boulevard. Yeah. So not sorry. So we feature Duhaney Park Plaza already. The new and improved Duhaney Park Plaza. You can always check out that video on the channel. So this video is all about Washington Boulevard. You don't know the beautiful view from the sky. It's just so relaxing and wonderful. You see me? That is it. Respect. Massive down in a riverbed full up with pumpkin tree. I wonder who eat them pumpkin. Crazy pumpkin tree. No, so some big young king good down there, sir. Yes, sir. Well, that's to show you how black the gutter is. See how black it be? Black up. That's pumpkin tree and all them things that grow down there. How clean them drain? Them drain. Clean up them drain, man. Come on, man. We are go through massive. Oh! You don't know, say another video you have to big up somebody though. Just forward to my brain. You don't know, more big up one barber shop in a Mount Vernon. You don't know, me I try to remember the general name, you know. Jenny's from Mount Vernon. Big up yourself too. You don't know, when I normally work at DV shop, you have a barber from Mount Vernon where always I watch the video them inside them shop. You understand? Me I try to remember his name, but when he name forward to me again, me I go action. Yo, I always hear about the youth that run the video them in I'm shopping of a Jamaican youth. I say it's a barber shop from Mount Vernon. You see me, I can't remember the general name I own the shop or trim inside of the shop. But a Jenny's link. You don't know. So Jenny's big up your bro for me no man. I want to remember his name say, but I guess throughout the walk, his name will forward to me. As a video drop, them man the TV no lock off a Jamaica walk by. Them man they run the video them straight in the barber shop. All if somebody want to change it, not change it. I say a fame place and a fame channel this. Nobody can tell them to change the channel. A fame channel that. So you don't know, big up yourself, my bro. Every time. You still remember your name, you know. Just watch and see if I drop. You still remember your name. Just watch me. If I remember your name, I'm going to make sure it's up on the screen. In a post edit, I put it on. You see it? My friend, I can bother you a little bit. I I can leave a card with you. I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. I can leave a card with you, so check out the channel and thing. Here you go. You want to big up somewhere, you have a business, you want to promote for free. You showcase you. Anything. But you're good though. Alright, big up on Muff Love, see? That is it. Don't know, we have to keep on promoting same way. You see? way much drive over there. Yeah. Going. The legs are get warm massive. Go through the other. Blessed, even. I want to help, man. If I go your direction, I have to carry you. Swear. She said, "Me can't turn back." She said, "Me can't turn back. I go carry." Daytona Drive. Mad power wash here, you know. Yeah. One of the most famous power washes here in Kingston. Let's drive on the other road. Them have a chop, you know. Like this is gonna go solar, man. Yeah, me G, outside on it like me. That is it, man. But I again? What a lane your name again? Yo, dear, me care, me mama, what a name your name again? Not even you don't know neither. Me care, it's there, me care, me mind now. But yeah, massive, we're there. You see it on the screen. Yeah. Oh, a big kitchen I want to bless a man. And them I see there foreigner they want to see them. My Jamaica walk by for the kitchen man. You know see outside restaurant man. Eh? Lord, as Jamaica walk by me G, you don't know right now we a showcase. Walk one in a blow, watch a Dutchy party. A Dutchy now blaze. Massive. What I say? Dutchy now blaze, no fire under there. I don't understand. See how the soup at them they look like them done already massive. I walk one. What kind of soup in it? From 12 o'clock till when? Till what time? Massive right now at Easter. At any time, my man say 24 hour open. You understand that? They to me look like a red pea soup, then another one there. See me eye, me can't tell how what the one that base on the cover. You see me all the elder the writers are beat up in Arizona and I play them in us in dead look more. Skipping on. Right. Jamaica walk by massive. Let me leave a one car there so they can see what I go on and check out the channel, same speed. Mad love, you see me? Eh? Where's the watch? What's it?
One brother.
Alright, you're artist? Then drop two tune man, never go on here, you know man.
Chop up jeans class, truth at the home wear. Change the image fast, pick up in New Year. Happy bus now, my crew swear. Dog, and we not care, yo, who's there? Don't drive out, so we change up few gear. The hot girl a playing a this a youth here. Me no know how we you swear. And all who no know them so here. Aye, I saw we in a them yai. Can't believe I saw we in a them life. I saw we in a them yai. We surprise how we in a them mine. I saw we in a them yai. Can't believe I saw we in a them life. I saw we in a them yai. We surprise how we in a them mine.
Oh, it's time. What am I name again? Tell them again.
One pro dan the profession.
One pro dan.
Watch, learn and know beside pro this.
Alright, I say name on Instagram.
Yeah man. One
YouTube too.
Foxy Black. Spell it with 2 X. Blacks. S at the end.
That is it. Big up every time. That's how we stay up on Jamaica walk by my boss. One love, we no itch. Oh, them say Jamaica are nice. Where them get that from? I was spread them fast news there. Not go and look out there. There was 6 miles there walk from, go straight to Constant Spring Road. And they say, when me say me, who say Jamaica are nice? Lie them a tell. Lie them a tell. Them a go like say everything else in every other country. What? We not so bad. Lie them a tell. Lie them a tell. Outside, big up on yourself, see? That is it. I mean. Yeah, massive. Oh, them say Jamaica are nice. Jamaica nice. Look one place, no man. I mean, no man. Washington Boulevard, see it here? Plaza. Outside with it. A taxi in a bus now forward, man. May you walk over the road. You don't walk with me. We can give you a card. You check out my channel. Jamaica walk by. Massive was your smile is nice. I give you a smile, you know. All if you have a bad day today, you say you smile, nobody can hold you. We beat it in Jesus' name, alright? Elbow bunks now, man. Yeah, you have your own business to do. You can promote it for free, man. You can promote. You have somebody who want to pick up. Nobody? So nice, beautiful lady like you now, nobody to big up. Your kids them. Yeah, where your kids them? Come, massive. So she a big up her kids them right now. Where your kids? Come in, man. See how she running right. Alright, so she said big up her kids them. You don't know big up her Kingston forward from? Big up her St. Andrew massive. See how she outside, nice and clean on the street. Don't play with her. And the work here come from. It's a cleaner come from her. Hey, look for her. Jamaica nice. Elbow bungs different. Big up your kids, them mad love. Be safe, see? One love. We outside. Blessed. Man, and I chuck tie. A long time I don't see one ganja slip so big. Hey man, so we rolling up some blacks on my mind at ease. Sipping on some Molly with some Hennessy. Rolling with Lata and our friend Denise. That's how we roll it. And you can believe what you wanna believe. And I know that marijuana can cure disease. Ask the Jamaicans and the Japanese. That's how we roll it. Anytime we roll, we roll away our sorrow. Easy. And hit me with the vibes, then I come alive. And I roll one more tomorrow. Where man say now? Suddenly thinking about my day. Why people saying why my eyes so red. Gotta believe in everything I say. When I keep on chanting, it's a brighter day. Tony Curtis, big tune. You don't know, we outside. And nobody asking them when. We outside. Washington Boulevard, big up on my Jamaica walk by massive again. Remember, if you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, we are wait man. Subscribe now man. At 60,000 subscribers we want to reach and when man. Like we done it before the month done now man. Yeah. Outside. Me still I try to remember our general name from the barber shop, you know. Jaja know. Oh, there's a Jamaican and nice. I like them at 10. I like them at 10. Play sweet. Gee, they say I like them at it. Yeah. Piece of cloud block off the sun. So I could go on, man. Church of the Open Bible. Alright, massive. So right at the corner of Primal Plaza. You don't know. But guess what me know? Me have to stop the drone from recording over this side because I didn't know that the restricted zone came this far. So we're gonna go without any drone footage when we pass this plaza. You don't know. Yeah. That is it. So that's a plaza we never been at. So I could see what going over there. Yeah. Beg around me, G. Respect. Always see that G up on the corner, you know. They say I'm a whole alright banana them, you know. Me can video to I think them, G. We not sure what go on with you. See? So massive right on the corner, right, that's all. See fruits them, you can come get your fruit back. You can get your right banana them. You don't know we not pass them thing and we always have a showcase, you look at hot spot them, you know. See that? Want to know about Nisberry? Some of them first not see this, you know. All me do with them and I just wash them off and everything gone in all the seed. You see me, we have it. You don't know the ripe grape them same way, ripe on Duhaney Park Plaza. Primal, you must Duhaney Park, Primal Plaza. You see it, all my Jamaica walk by massive, you don't know. Me Jimmy can get a card. So you can check out the channel, same speed. Yeah, so with there massive, I saw me stay, when I ran for the promotion, I full place, you see me? That is a respect everything. Yo, watch your jackfruit now, man. Yo, son. When you have a post one at this, you know, enough of you don't know what this, you know. See it there? Jackfruit. That's how it look like before it cut. Look like breadfruit, but I jack that. Big up every time, see? Blessed. We outside massive. Primal Plaza. I could go see what go on. Yeah, massive Primal Plaza. Yeah. Hey. Primal Plaza. You done know. Alright, make way head this direction first. See what on the other side looks like. Yeah. So all who don't know. So Boulevard Shopping Centre, everybody call it Primal Shopping Centre still, but I really Boulevard Shopping Centre then call it. See? A locksmith place over there. Not sure what they are. This one, Lee's Food Fair. So yeah. Alright. Actually walk go inside and go around the other side. Inspector. Just said, inspector. courts. Alright. See if we can go inside of the plaza. Can I like talk to you for a second? Do you mind, please? Alright, I'm Fabian from Jamaica Wabai. Look, alright, I'm currently recording just to let you know. Alright, so I'm Fabian from Jamaica Wabai. I do showcase of Jamaica. You're Jamaican? Yeah. Where's the general? She look good. But says she look good. So she said, alright, so I showcase Jamaica, right? I'm all natural, right? So the video and showcase the natural ambiences of Jamaica and stuff. So usually we see beautiful ladies on the street. We try to showcase them a bit because we don't say the man them are going to see them. So massive. You're not afraid of that camera? So you're back and forth from Jamaica or what? Yeah? Alright, so where are you going? You're going inside of the plaza? You don't mind if my video you and showcase it on the channel, you can maybe give it to Instagram, you can maybe, you know, stuff like that, because first I go and see. As a matter of fact, I follow you everywhere I go, you don't mind? I follow you today. So, massive, we're there with a nice, beautiful lady. Look on her. Oh, my name is Fabian. It's Fabian. So, what's your name? What's your name? London. London, as in like London Bridge. But you look like your London Bridge is really building strong. Alright, massive. So we're there with London, beautiful young lady. I don't know what going on with Jamaica, massive. Usually I'm not big enough for 360, but let me walk around now. I'm not going to say no. Massive look there. Massive look there. One of the things that Jamaica normal chap don't play with Jamaica.
You know what, somebody could probably get a phone stand?
A phone stand? Well, yeah, one phone store is supposed to be this side. We can maybe just look in there, see if any that you like. Yeah, one is at the front. Huh?
I said not for $1 million.
Yeah, and Jamaica, we look hard, you know. Yeah, massive. Go ahead.
Because I left it at home.
Yes, that seafood store here on the left. Yeah, massive. London in Jamaica. So, I hope you nobody cost me now, your boyfriend will kill me to follow behind you because me a tour, so me a go and give a tour. Bless up, bless up, bless up.
You guys have
Bless up, my G.
phone stands?
Phone stand for?
Phones?
Like an iPhone or an Android
I
phone.
just started to take pictures.
Can you?
Yeah. You have any phone? No stand? You don't have no stand?
No stand for phone, but no.
Alright, let us see the ones
Like
that you have.
extended one. Okay.
Yeah, like one that can stand up and you just put your phone in it.
Yeah.
Are you serious? The only thing you have to
Yeah, me G, also massive, before you even go no further, Jamaica walk by Zane, I book her up in the street, so I go and follow behind her and I go and videos, me showcase Jamaica. What you say? Look how she beautiful, you don't think me should really have to showcase her, do they?
Showcase.
Alright, what that store your name? So we could have give store some promotion. Royal Tech?
Yeah.
Where's the Royal Tech?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. London, you don't mind give him some promotion to car? Lord Jesus. Me know me I do too much. Oh, see some phone stand there.
How long do it go? They stay that height, right?
Let me show you.
Alright. So massive right now we're in a Royal Tech as what's her name again? London. London here looking at some stuff.
They must have done actually.
London what?
Okay, but do it stand up?
Oh yeah, can put. Very nice.
This is the longest ago. How much long is this one? 8.5 minutes.
Royal Tech massive.
Okay. Okay. I guess I'm gonna get this one too. Hey, this the tallest to go though? I guess I'll just have to probably put it on something. Okay, I'm gonna get this.
You like this?
Yeah, I'm gonna get this. Oh wait, oh, okay, I thought that was one. I thought the camera thing was live. Okay.
See, you're really gonna buy this one?
Yes, I would.
All right.
I really need it. I really need it.
And this is so massive. You see it? Me actually I walk with her as you get a seal right live on Jamaica walk by from London. See salesperson over there, so. And this what place name Royal Tech?
Yeah.
Alright. I normally know the phone store here, but I just don't remember what name. Yeah. So London, what you say about Jamaica? You say love Jamaica?
I love Jamaica.
Yes, I.
Why wouldn't I love Jamaica?
Massive, see them. When you can't cuss me to them, I showcase the whole of London. When I think Jamaican female now, man, catch angles. Watch it. Catch angles. When you can pay me for this? When you can pay me for so brave? For just see her in the street and beg her a feature. Look there. Yo, my G, wait, sir. How she look? Lovely look. You know, say massive, them are going to lovely look. Tell me something about Royal Tech. Now, what is Instagram?
Royal Tech. Yeah, Royal Tech.
Royal Tech. Alright, see it there? Royal with an E. Okay. Yeah, massive. London. In a Jamaica, massive. Come find a wife for Jamaica, because it look like even when them gone a foreign, a same place I had them forward back again. Yeah. So Royal Tech have whole heap of things. Everything from phone to tablets, me say to speaker, to so much stuff, to jewelry. Yeah. Price them not even look bad at all. See the massive? Wanna know about this? Blowout sale. That is it. Royal Tech Primal Plaza. No joke. You know, so from the sea from Jamaica walk by on a joke thing, a real thing. Natural living colors. So not on all platforms or just Instagram? Instagram. So people can just order from Instagram too as well?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, see that? Well online. That is it. So London.
Y'all got jewelry too.
Yeah.
Y'all lit.
So London, I got ask you some questions. You mind me can talk to you. You see, camera love you. I say, camera does a fine angles. Much. That is it. So where is it? Mine is sunburn out, you know. You say you look a light skin. You say you're light skin. So you say you're from Jamaica, but you actually live in America.
Huh?
You're actually from Jamaica, but you live in America.
Yes, no, my family is Jamaican. Both my parents are Jamaican.
Oh.
So yeah. I'm like,
Yeah, man.
Jamaican, what is it? Jamaican descent? I'm Jamaican. If you ask my mom, I'm Jamaican.
So she's Jamaican massive, you hear that? Alright. We showcase a bit of what go on in here. Yeah, massive, crazy. Royal Tech. So we actually wait for London making a purchase as we go and promote Royal Tech. That is it. Alright, it's fine. Yeah. But London, you happy, man. Give me the dance then. Give back the dance. Run back the dance.
Hey, do it again.
Do it again though. Imagine somebody never did that look. They never catch it. Bust back the dance. Bust the dance. Give them a dance. Bust the dance. Hey. Yeah, BG. Royal Tech with them massive. So make sure you come on down, support them. So we see watching at the glass case. Me I see earring in it. It look like she don't want to tell who I go on, man.
London, make sure
you see me I say, see it there? Earring. Yes, mommy, you see one you like?
You buy something?
Yeah, me da buy something here, yes. If you see what you like, what you say? Yeah, man. That is it. Easy. Finish?
You just slowly slow. A little bit. Like you move slow. Like a move like that.
Oh gosh. Yeah. So comes in a married it. You say I gotta get ring like people make people think say you're married. In Jamaica you there, them gonna hack you down. Be sorry for you. Them no business about that no. You stay there. Yeah. Massive, you can't pay me for this. London, you don't mind we'll walk some more place when I finish? Yeah, because I'm going to showcase the plaza. I can't just be my host today. I say, sure. Massive, I want to reach out to London and bless her. You see me, I say, watch her, she cool. Yeah. But there's a beautiful girls don't shy, not at all. I think a joke thing.
I'm shy.
You're shy? You're not shy?
Credit.
Yeah. Yeah, me G.
You have to protect London by the proper, you know, brother.
Boy, I don't know if me can work. I work, you know. I even know what she go after this. It look like if me I walk with her, me I gonna need protection. And me I gonna need protection. So you finished? Yeah man, big up and say, yeah, me I go and walk with her. Oh shit, make him test it so. So in a royal take the man I go check it right about now.
Charges, yeah?
Okay.
Charges. You charge?
What do we do when I
Peel
turn?
the phone, rotate by itself.
Oh, this one rotate by itself?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's
Alright.
cool. Cool, thank you.
This is it.
Okay. Alright. Thank you.
See, we should get cold up. Well, London, we can get cold up.
Yeah man, we should show you out the thing man. She don't want to showcase what I go on, but here what I go on. Oh, you can put it in your bag. Whoa, London, whoa. Make them cry. Whoa, whoa. Yo, watch it from Jamaica walk back. London, make you a minute. Come here, London. Me don't want she leave. London, nobody left me. Let me give him a card. Let me give him a card.
We should walk again.
Wait, make she walk again.
We should take a walk again. Come on.
Alright, thank you. London, you man say me walk around the store. I have to go respond to lunch today. Watch it. Yeah.
Alright. Make sure y'all pull up here at the Royal Tech, right?
That Royal, what is it? Royal Tech?
Yeah, Royal Tech. Thank y'all.
That is it. Yeah. Thank you, London. Massive. Remember, I don't want to beat me, you know. Me offer London to purchase London say she's good. So when you don't cost me, so me not offer her, and every girl like to take things from men. You see me? So yeah. So we're still there in the Boulevard Plaza. Where next you going? Oh, you want to look at some of these bags? Alright. And let's see. Hello. Good afternoon. Yeah, something like we said, the face, they're bright up, you know. Yeah, good day. Good day. But there I walk with somebody who me a bomb rush. So she said she want to see a few bags and things. So, who come to? You look like a hyena and Miguel and glasses, you know. Yeah. How are you?
I'm shy too.
Yeah. You saying you like? You don't want to look for London?
Let me see the little Dior bag.
Oh.
Is that the camera on now?
What do you mean? We are real. Yeah, me a video you right now. So, what's the name of this?
The Dior bag.
What's the name of this store?
It's Bags to Go JA.
Say that again?
Bags to Go JA.
Oh, Bags to Go JA. That's the name on Instagram too?
Yes.
Bags to Go JA. So massive right in Boulevard Plaza. Bags to Go JA. You know when I ramp when the free promotion I go on. I know say we talk about everything in a man. Me say black bag, blue bag, red bag, pink bag, green bag. Every kind of bag. You understand them have it? All different sizes. Tell me some of the brand bag them wanna have.
We have David Jones, we have Dior, Louis V. We have Borsalino.
That is it. Me I see our glasses. Bags to Go have glasses. Me see earring. Me see watches. all types of things, yo. Bluetooth a Bluetooth speaker that?
Yes.
Yeah, but in Bugs to Go have everything, man. They also have 3 nice, decent, beautiful young ladies in the store that are ready to talk and showcase what's going on. London here looking at glasses now. Let me see. Oh, no, tell me how London looking at that one now. Make we see. Make we be the judge. Ooh. What wanna say? What wanna say? Alright. Alright, make we see. Yeah. London start buy again. But you come to Jamaica for shop down the place. That is it, me like that. So massive the same time foreigner touching the street, she said they really support the Jamaican thing them. You see me I say?
1,200 even?
And so
Yes.
we are catching right from camera right now. See that? Quick sale and small profit. Don't play with me, you know. Yeah. And look me bring. Hey, from the book I should have top buy it up. I wonder for me make sure I buy. Because see me can make some more people buy. And that is it. Yeah, so she did check out the bag here massive. So if you don't like the bag here, forward down here and thing. You see me she not buy your glasses. 3 piece. Tell me a little bit about the bag.
I just had pure 3-piece.
Massive London still there you go and watch it chopping up. So we there you go and be see away. Yeah, massive. So me I gonna make sure me give out the Instagram and put it on the screen so you can check her out to here. Yeah. So Bags to Go JA, that's it?
Yes, Bags to Go.
Watch it massive. See that? See London over there so still a look, you know. See that? We don't want to sell her some more things. Alright, sure. Nice. So massive. See that Bags to Go JA Primal Plaza. Big up on yourself here. Oh, hold on. Let me go now car so I can check out the platform and see what go on. You understand? Here you go. Let me leave another one.
Next time I'll be promoting my business.
Yeah, what's it? You have a business by yourself?
Well, right now, increasing beauty increasing.
Say that again, increasing beauty?
Increasing beauty, so it's an upcoming page.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, take care and say, I'm going to watch about London over here. So. Yes, London. Where did you go? There's a supermarket here, I think here say
Coconut water.
yeah, coconut water. Yeah, it's supposed to be nice supermarket. This is the food court. I'm not sure if you know the plaza like that.
I'm on a diet.
You're on a diet?
Coconut water.
So massive, this is the food court. Let me show them how I go on a little bit. I will circle the food court massive, but yeah. Right now me I'm going to kill it with London. Yeah. So London, when last I get some real Jamaican? I was wondering about when did you fly in? Yesterday? Oh, so you get some Jamaican food there?
Not yet.
Oh, alright. Not yet. So you say you want some coconut water. But you know, say there's a spot outside at the front of some natural coconut water still, but now make you get the one in the bottle and you can get some real one from the real jelly man. Alright, we are go by the supermarket. London, hey, we have to go in front of me, you know, because we have a video here, you know.
Because I'm going to go back to my Airbnb, so I'm going to get a couple things.
Ah! Oh, so you're going to chill at the Airbnb?
Yeah. Isha living.
What's your name?
Isha living.
Isha?
Yes.
So that's Isha living in Montego Bay?
Ochi.
In Ochi.
Yes. Best people ever.
Massive, so what you know? London, come over here, sir. Alright. So since London here, London promote somebody's business. Since London actually give me this tour with her, nothing wrong if she want to promote somebody's business. So it's Isha.
Yes,
Isha living, Airbnb. So massive check out here, Isha living on Airbnb. Beautiful place. Where you say? London, where you say? Nice. Nice. So London endorse it. Great London endorsing it. So come in. So big up Isha living, Airbnb. I sell everything, you know, Isha. And on a joke thing, you know. London, I sell everything like how London sell off, you know. You must know, so I go want to see more hours, so you know, say, you can't cost me because we are show London non-stop. Whoa. Well, London, they're nice to talk in them, you can't really understand them sometimes, you know. So.
I said, where's the basket?
Oh, the basket then. Don't cost me, I'm not even sure. I'm not sure what I'm going to innocent. Let me ask one of them, G. Hey, hello, my friend. Yo, G, you working here? Where the basket then?
Go down to the security box and then go in this.
Alright.
I guess that was like the way out.
Oh.
This your area you from?
Security. Oh, this side.
This your area you from?
Which area I'm from? I'm a countryman still, man. I'm from Clarendon. Oh. Let's watch it. I'm from Clarendon side, so I'm gonna talk so good.
That's what my dad.
Oh, is that chuck I get?
I need a small.
Oh, it's one small one now. So I'm not sure where the fridge is at either. So which side do you wanna walk? Oh, there's a fridge to the back. You wanna walk from the back? Alright. Alright.
That's my favorite.
I didn't even look. What's the name of this supermarket? Let me see. Oh, Lee's. Oh, so we're inside of Lee's. First mess with that product there. But yeah, I'm from Clarendon side, so you know the country thing go. When I talk so good like the pretty talking like everybody else. You know? Alright. So London want coconut water, so we'll see if we can find coconut water and thing. She finds some. What that you get?
Tropical rhythm.
Tropical rhythm. Pineapple and ginger. Alright. Man, see, me can't pay London for this. London got cheese too. Man, see, she not cost me. She said me ask nicely and she said, yo, me can walk with her. So, maybe London he want to look a company to get rid of some of my eyes them off her. Not true?
Yeah.
See it there?
It works.
See it there?
I like hanging with guys because it does help keep
the other man them cool.
Yeah.
Look there.
Yeah.
Massive London in Jamaica. London in Jamaica. Coconut water. Here's it. Yeah. Oh.
No, I'll take this one.
Yeah. Let me hold this for you. Alright. Any more juice? Oh, yeah, get bun too? Alright, let me introduce it. Let me see which one of my favorite. Look if you see one with yummy. There's no yummy. Yummy Easter bun. I love yummy. I don't see any yummy. Oh, there it is. This one. I always like, yeah, this one I call yummy. Yeah, I normally like because it's not. It's soft and don't get dry. So massive, see the big up yummy. See me go now nice you could promo on it. So London can try the yummy. Alright. Oh, so you finish up? Alright. So massive may be like London security guard today. So London and Jamaica walk by, this is exactly what I do. So don't be a stranger to the channel now, you know. Okay. It's nice. Oh no, it's actually asthma pocket too. Yeah, I'm actually doing a YouTube video right now. Jamaica walk by. Let me give you a card.
What? Jamaica walk in?
Jamaica walk by. Now give you a card.
Oh, you're seeing brother.
Ah, see there? Oh, watch couple of, yeah, me see him. See the man know what go on. Big up yourself, my G. Ali supermarket, that's all. Alright, big up yourself. Alright, we are cash up. Oh, that showcase. Let me see one up here to empty. Yeah man, I will see a woman.
I get a break.
Yeah, mostly I just Jamaica walk by right now. So I bambush for our time because I book around for me just go and feature up on the channel and I take up our time, you know?
Oh, you mean your first location on Washington Boulevard?
Yeah, I actually walk from 6 miles. Yeah. 6 miles.
You know, I think I want a unicorn or
No man, I want somebody man. So right now, oh London, yeah, take this out, put this back in the bag.
Oh.
Remember you? So yeah, we are record right now. You know we uncut, we not take out nothing. That is it.
Why give me a business card?
Yeah man, follow and subscribe on the channel. Easy. Instagram too, yeah? We do free promotion on Instagram too as well. So if you want to share something, you just send it to me and post it for free. Easy as that. Extreme hard. See them on that? That is it. Big up yourself, elbow bones. Mad respect. So you go man.
I was just hearing voice.
I always just hear the voice.
No, they were
The video Peter like that.
I walk through the wall.
Kill me with question.
I walk through the wall and Maxine and
Yeah, but you were the whole Maxine from down from Spanish Town Road. Yeah. So something similar to it. So some of the book are up, so they are going to show up. And that is it, man. Cool. Alright. Lean supermarket. So London get some coconut water bun. You man a inquire. You want to John go over there right now? You have any they might can't hold me a bag. You have any you have any bag and sell here, miss? Okay. So Lee's supermarket. So massive yo, big up to London. London make me a walk with her. I don't know. I always know this for a fact. It's a beautiful ladies never shy. Beautiful ladies always polite and all them things. So that's why I say me always force the ladies to say, yo man, for your beautiful showcase yourself, showcase your business. You know what I mean? Don't be afraid. You know what I mean? Put yourself out there. Even the ladies in the bag store. Look how much places I go and persons turn down promotion. So it's always a great feeling to see persons willing to talk and promote them business and stuff like that. So you look like London ready. Yeah, London. So where are you going now? Look like you're done. You done shop? Alright, so massive. Here me I go do. London me I go do one more walk with you. Go outside. Or I don't know, you want to look on the rest of Plaza or where you do? Where are you? Or you go home? Yeah, alright, sure. London I go home. So I'm gonna leave a card with you too as well.
Okay, that's nice. I'll check you out.
So before you go, I'm gonna make sure I get your Instagram. This is my card right here. Yeah. So massive, see that? See what the card look like? You might hold it. See? Alright, so London get a card. So what's your Instagram?
London _the_Don. London the Don.
Oh, so it's London the Don.
London the Don.
Okay. So London _the_Don. Alright, that is it. So massive, see that?
I'm the bikini princess, guys.
The bikini princess, you hear that?
Yes.
So massive, make sure you subscribe to London. Instagram, follow her. You have any YouTube too as well?
I do, but currently like not.
Oh, you're not active on it?
Yeah, not active.
Alright, so massive, we're there with London. So it's London the Don. So it's London _the_Don. You see? I'll be a security guard, go at the gate, and then we get back to the regular programming. So you know the thing go massive. Once we see them in the street, I go video them. Showcase the Jamaica thing. Yeah. Massive shape for these. Me and security guard. You soon get about 10 more security guard by the time you left out of the building. Sorry for you. So enjoy your stay in Jamaica. You know what I mean? They have a business also massive. As I said, check out our Instagram. Just check her out on Instagram. See you more. That is it. Alright, so massive big up on yourself. You don't know London I go. We just follow London and them I go show you the rest of the plaza. You know what the thing go. We just go give London the last walk. Yeah. Yeah. London. So big up me, I go finish showcase the plaza. Yeah. Thank you for having me. You know, for showcase yourself on the platform. Big up every time. I gotta big up yourself and take care, alright? Yeah, massive. Boy, me I tell you, London was a vibe. Yeah, man, London was a vibe. So we're going to check out some other part of the plaza. Because you don't know, we get London and nice to go showcase all like general them. So, yeah, so we could just look on some of the store them. Because London was a vibe, see? So because I showcase so much about London, I go in the back and eye inside of the plaza. Yeah, them get a good showcase too. And ugly ketchup a while ago. A pickle there, English here. You know, that is it. So yes, massive. Outside. Boulevard Shopping Centre. Well, actually, Boulevard Super Centre. Alright. Alright. So we actually went in the supermarket with London. So we don't have to go that side. So we'll go around the building and then up the road. Yeah. Loads of business place around this side. Yeah. So who didn't know now, you know. Seafood, meat and more. The Park. Barn Free Pet Center. Alright. So look like alright, massive, far to go. So let's go. Burger King line lang. Drive through should say. Alright, massive. So we showcase around the supermarket side while we were walking with London. Don't know, London, big up yourself. So our Instagram again is London_the_Dan. Zin? Bikini Princess is our Instagram name. You see me? So yeah, it was a vibe with London. You don't know, foreigner fly in and they are go and chill. And one of the greatest things is that this time I was offering to get her some of the stuff them that she needed, and she said no, it was fine, she got it. You know what I mean? So she said she got it. So she got it. You see me? So nobody cuss me now and say, oh, me not offer to buy her no, and all of that. I did. And she said she got it. She cool. She not a problem. Me walk with her and video the way some of the man them would have just, you know, build back a little bit and just make sure go and flow through. You see? Yeah. So that is it, massive. So we go back on the street and continue our way back up. Oh, a beat up, man. And touch the street. Yeah. Outside with it. KFC is around that side. We not got the KFC side, but yeah, KFC is straight ahead as well. Just like that. I'm say far way to go, so we'll continue the walk. Yeah, man. Yeah, massive, you don't know. Right about now, pan Jamaica walk by with the right of Pembroke Shopping Centre, otherwise known as the Boulevard Shopping Centre, no, man. All I find that they want to ride a light jelly off a 3-seater, no, man. Oh, now wait for the right so them there, no. You know, if you go in the country, you know, they stop on the boulevard and check out that spot here. And me endorse that spot here, massive. See there, you know, if you go in the market, see banana them over here, so. You understand me? I say, they have a fresh orange them, they have a pine, they have a ripe banana, they have papa. I'm telling them about that something here. You understand? That's something here named Neesberry. You can just wash off that thing and you just consume everything. You understand me? I say, if you want to spit out the seed of your business, you can't do what you want to do with it. You understand? See it here? See my favorite mango here, you know. You see me East Indian mango, them have it. They have the melon. And when me say, fire, what you say? Big up yourself, no, man. You understand? The man have, watch a scotch bonnet pepper, them and a pram push pepper, them, man. You understand? See the tomato, man have all the whole sea snack them over here, saying. I want to man at Easter time, you know, see all the bun there, you know. Bun and cheese on the go, you know. Not play them, yam, grung provision, Irish. What I want you want? What kind of yam you want again? Renta yam. Yo. Big up all the man them, no, man. You see me, blessed love, so you don't know massive seat there. Boulevard Shopping Centre over there, and the man them the right across the road. But you have to think them, no, man. Every evening the man never go home empty, you know. I pack them back up crate and thing and come back fresh again. Alright? That is it. Big up every time. Right now we are showcase the entire Washington Boulevard. You see me, I say, well, I'm going to give you a car. You don't know where to make sure, say. You don't know which one to find. Don't tell me, say, them done, you know. Clothes and skirt, them done.
So we need to find for you.
Jamaica walk by. Oh, well, I care, them done. So we need to turn up. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Check out the channel. And we show them Jamaica, say Jamaica sweet. Oh, them say Jamaica not nice. I lie them a tell. Lie them a tell. Everything else I go on if you're this country. We don't have no school shooting and them thing over here. I lie me a tell. Elbow bunks, man. Big up every time, my brother them. See? We're outside. Because we are Kansas Spring now go. Whole walk. I'm starting from west. 6 miles. And we are pass through. Watch out, man. 6 miles. From 6 miles me I walk. And I go straight to Kansas Spring Road. So I'm not joke thing. See it here? What you saying? Digital and line phone can't sell right, I say, no. We don't play the man them, you know. You understand me, I say? You understand? Rasta Bigs, you know, the short Rasta Bigs, so you get a digital and your lime phone card, your cool drinks, them, you know, your Guinness, your Dragon, your Malta, your Boom, you know, your Pepsi, you know. Where you rum to?
Yeah, everything.
You man have a rum and Pepsi, you know. Everything. Talk to me. See, let's see a lady pull up and say, want 2 jelly. Yeah. You want cool and hot? Yeah, see that me tell us anywhere me forward, see you have to run. What me say, mommy? See you have to run. And then the kind of joy and look them me bring. You see me? Sell off. Quick sale and small profit over here. So you think a joke thing? Yo, me G, elbow bunks, man. Big up every time, me G. Jamaica walk by. One Jamaica walk by TV. That is it. Big up, me G. Yeah. Yeah, massive. So you don't know, we take a little shortcut. See it there? So we are trad. Outside with it. Back on the street again. No joke. So we next up the road at Mullins Road, you know. Yeah, we are what, not true? Think we can reach a Constant Spring Road, and that's how we are aiming for reach. If we can't reach, I just so. But we see how the night gonna. Yeah, massive, we're outside. We are walk through. What I car them done massive. Blow, I don't even know what to call the dog here. A alien. What's your name? Jamaica walk by TV, you see it again, tell a bridging. I get dog look for me and say, who your brother? So me tell him. Yes. Inner city massive. Fuck up and down that again. Jamaica Walk by TV. Big up somebody. No, see there now. You're gonna tap me. Watch them a run now. Road crossing road. Me not have no more card, but I go now. Me gonna check out the channel. A Jamaica Walk by here. It's gonna be on YouTube. Ah. That's cool, listen. Washington Boulevard massive. Yeah. Good evening, ladies. Wanna comfortably? Nice. Jamaica Walk by. You know we do an episode. Pick up for yourself. That is it. Blessed, blessed. Yeah, fire, manners. Yeah, massive. Hold on, make a look up yourself. I one minute. Make a check it out. Never go on a bridge and make a check it out. This is so cool. They look like they're not even use it. Alright. This is so cool. Nice. Look at this. Washington Boulevard. Look how it's so cool. Nice. This is so cool. Jamaica have the cross bridge them. Yeah. This is so cool, huh? Still up on the walk. Me actually do a Jamaica Walk by now. What is it? $50 for one? Oh Jesus, now broke me now. I mean I'm not change now.
How much now?
You see your bad, you see me make sure you turn this up. Yeah, your ball out, so make sure you're not video you know, on the street also. Let me see if I have no change. See? I don't have no change. You don't have change?
How much I find it?
Alright.
450. Yeah. Cheers. Thank you very much.
I just want one back to change to take back my taxi go walk away me I go, you know. As a matter of fact, here what you go do. Here what you go do. Just give me back 3 bills and take the rest. Alright, big up on yourself. Go and do it, see? Alright. I'm not sure we should lay on this. Yeah, couple of girl. You well relaxy? Cheese and pit. In our video you know man, you see camera point over there but are your foot them you see well cock up, you enjoy life even? Yeah, go ahead. Why you check out my channel? Oh! Jamaica walk by my make sure you catch it thing good tonight. Alright, I have video right now, my live, they don't hear me, but they will not see you. So Jamaica walk by. So you see on my phone, you can check out the YouTube channel, eh? Extreme Arts and now never tell me sponsor me. If you ain't I'm making you find the channel for your phone right now. Jamaica walk by. Instagram and YouTube. Find the YouTube, wait for YouTube or Instagram. I search it up. Jamaica walk by right now for Instagram. I say, me just see her in her yard in her, if I really hear so she live cock up her 10 pound grill easy back. Oh, they say Jamaica not nice. I lie them a tell. Alright, follow me and send me a message say yeah you so me can tag you and say big up yourself. Where name the big you? I don't post you, I don't video you, I just see that video to the road. Look at my line there. I don't tell them that. Switch up me and see. See? Yeah man. Nice, so alright, you follow me? Yeah. Where your name from Gram?
Yeah, thank you now.
Alright, you want me to give you Instagram? Let me blow up your Instagram so I can follow you. What your name for Instagram? Queen.
Underscore that Kimoy.
So she named Queen underscore that Kimoy.
Queen
that underscore that
Kimoy.
Kimoy. How you spell it Kimoy?
K-I-M-O-Y.
K-I-M-O-Y. So that's what she named by Instagram. Massive. Yeah man, that's my page. So check out the YouTube because this video I go post on the YouTube channel. See? Just text me and say, yeah man, Ray, I don't have Instagram you know. Because we say I have a clean picture then on Instagram. Ah, you go on you know. Big up yourself here. So big up Kimoy. We are go through. Blessed, blessed. How far can we go? So massive, we almost reach Mullins Road. What I wanna clean him, man? Shut up! Sweet machine! Good evening. Good evening. nobody answer me back. Oh, come and sound so clean and comfortable on the yard and I'm going to them pretty nice good evening and answer me. Oh. A Jamaica walk by here doing an episode of Washington Boulevard. So we have video everything. Oh, look, in the video. I'm going to catch you now. It's on the well comfortable. Big up on yourself, yeah? That is it. Serious walk, massive, but we're moving along. She say, yeah, look, you want to walk. Jamaica walk by, you know? Jamaica walk by TV. That is it, man. Comfortable bus that in a Jamaica, you know, man. Oxford Express. Something new forward there, so I can see if I can see over there now. Look like nothing started, but it look like them are going to build up something there so nice and decent. Whole place zinc off. Yeah. Here massive Mullins Road. We are going, not you? Yeah. Mullins Road massive, moving right along just as the light change, so I have to go here. So right at intersection of Mullins Road and Washington Boulevard with the right on our stand. Yeah. So we are continue the walk. As I say, Constant Spring Road we have go. We must can make it before night. Yesterday I drive there a while ago. Chat was time. Oh, we stop crash. So all the massive who have watched this video thus far, please remember to like if you not like it. Please may I ask you to share if you're not yet. If you're not share it yet. You see me I say, remember me can see. We can see the share them, you know, so yeah massive. I could get some loads of share. 1,000 like in a day we want for that video. We get Jamaica back on track. So this is Texaco, and we have the total energy over there. So. Yeah. A serious walk massive. You think a joke thing? you see them sell them thing. Mixer and thing. They sell that. Manners. drive-through ATM for Scotia by this plaza here. How cool is that? I see a few of these in Kingston, the drive-through ATM. So you can just pull up, should be on out and check the machine or withdraw. Sovereign Centre on the Boulevard. I could go by this one, but I want to finish the entire video. Loads of shops over there too as well. Supermarket over there, cleaners over there, Little Tokyo over there, pharmacy over there, a lot. And Knoxford Express office over there as well. Yeah. Want to finish the entire boulevard. Washington Boulevard. Black on black. Good evening. Police, them love that spot here, see man. Watch me say a stunt man. A stunt for the police there. look him do all of that. I show off by the police them. The police about me so. So them police up there so look like them a do some speed. Slow down speeders. They must have get enough light down the road so to slow down. Mind my own business on the one. Next step now. Alright, watch me now. I do my episode from 6 miles near walking up. And I walk up straight up and I tell them every day anything get catching on my lens. So I say, no, I want to make a showcase. So babungs, you know outside, Jamaica walk by. You see me as a general. So right now if you don't know about Jamaica walk by, I'm going to tell you what we do now. So we showcase the natural ambiances of Jamaica. So yeah, from June to on land. So right now I do the on land from 6 miles and I aim to reach. Let me see how the gun work. Let me see how the gun work.
I'm getting off Prado.
Prado. Speeder. Speeder. All over me G. Come here and say, how comes in my speed and some more people get light? From way down so. Me do it, you know, me not tell a line. Sometimes you might have in a private vehicle and you see man a wink and say police down the road, alright? Massive me a catch right so Miss Officer, what's her name, my friend? So we're there with Miss Officer Johnson, you see me? So I'm a Jamaica walk by massive, I don't know where I stay. What me see people in the street is either promotion and I'm going to raise. But how much you mean I do a while ago? 70 where they give him a run? No, next police. Oh, now how much you no catch on there? Whole Alright, so on the zone now, I think of 50. Alright. Me have a van see where a van deep and tell you the zone and you're going on. So is it that me choose to make the van slow down by itself or me override it? You see me? I go see what I go on. The amount of people down the circle light, me I walk foot and the amount of light and me see down the road I say police up the road. So me see if they still a speed, then we get ticket. Because me I walk from where me say 6 miles. Yeah. And from me touch down there's everybody there on light police up the road. Me I go straight on Constant Spring Road. Yeah man. Me stand so nice see, but you see that big woman and thing and ray and you're outside. Watch your gun, make you show me go away. 47, now go on easy man. Now go on easy man. So one get so far and I hook from there. When they run this up? If they run this up, so I don't know, I'm not afraid of that camera. Mr. Ansel, you can't afraid of that camera man. It's a nice, decent, clean police out there. I want here. Hey, so, watch you now. 72, which one of them? Back one. Which one? Yeah man, see one back there man. Rockstone, 72. Where you send him round there? Right, yeah, so.
Good day. Sir? Can you look on that now? You got to 0. 62? Well,
but all of him that do 62. But massive, how you go now? So all of him that do 62 and that's still over the speed limit. But it up to your leniency, right? Alright, so when enough people don't understand, me hardly get ticket. That's back in the days me used to get ticket, Miss Johnson. Because you say from me pull up a few foot and me start talking to you, I beg you right away. How you mean? I beg you right away. And tell you X, Y, Z and sit because watch you know. Me know the chap go. You see me? Me stand for you see her now, you know say one nice respectable lady. Me know they must have beg me say, me see me stand me can't show you. Big up somebody, big up your daughter, your son. Eh? Me tell you, Miss Zancer would have want look like one of my auntie. I saw her face look, have a little smirk, but it's serious at the same time. You see me? So, Miss Zancer, when I try to do the showcase, regardless of everything we go on in Jamaica, Jamaica still a keep. Jamaica still a work. You understand? We still have fun out here. And we still can walk peacefully. You see me? Because, yes man, we walk Maxfield from Spanish Town Road, go straight to Apple Tree. We walk, you can walk from 3 miles go downtown. No man, no. See me I come with just a walk now man.
Come on, some places you know really and depending on the time.
And that me tell them. Say it depends on the time when you do it because you can't just go walk on Spanish Town Road and I make like that. Because see, how much you go on with? In jockey break. You're smart. The way you have, you make him go on. So me Zancer rough it up, but me Zancer have leniency. When you swing over a while ago and jam the brake, me Zancer say, alright, you go on. I give. Massive, me a control down there. I'm not sure Miss Johnson, but sit there no joke. See police vehicle. Yeah, alright, that's what I catch a while ago and show. You know my style already. Yeah, where's your name again, G? I want a different one then. Oh, they look like I see him somebody.
At the attire.
Oh, at the attire. Alright, big up yourself, me general. On the outside, big up the police them. So right now, in a look at take care, me big up all of the police them in Jamaica. So all of my massive them want to comment right now. Say big up all of the law enforcement officer. And you don't know if you not speed, slow down by Washington Boulevard. You hear me? Not telling you for now, they're up here, so. They're up here. So we are telling you slow down by Washington Boulevard. I run for the ticket, you hear? Miss Johnson, big up yourself, mad love, mad respect, elbow bunks. We outside here, me general. Jamaica walk by. Me never have no more car, them done, because so far me a fall. But a Jamaica walk by. Instagram and YouTube. See? Yeah, massive. Slow down there. Alright, bless up here. Yo, me G, you not give me a blind. Miss Johnson, you never get no blind.
So can I get up?
When you can't run some blind, I come there today. Eh? Yeah, big boss. Everything bless up. See? Yeah, massive. So I just stop a reason with some police. Big up Miss Johnson. Don't know law enforcement officer. She nice as it. She have a nice little seriousness with a little smirk on the work. You see me? It look like she run things out there so today. And she out there with maybe new police officer, but them not seems new still. Probably judge how them look and how them clothes stay. They can say them probably do about 5 years or about that already in the force. So we're still walking massive. You know my style already. So me stay. Yeah man. Yeah man. We're outside. Me not take no ticket. When me done talk and beg for my life. Yeah massive. No joke. Go reach you now. Alright, Massey, Mr. Lexia called me a couple of times. I mean, want to stop the video, so I soon call her back. You don't know, big up Lexi, my partner in crime. I do the chop, you don't know. Lexi, me see her call me, but Sue answer because I don't want to cut the video. But that's why you know say everything Chris same way. I'm outside, I'm safe and thing and everything cool. You see me? But Sue chat me reach her, so when you see this, your sister, see how which one me reach and you call me. Yeah. We outside. Moving along, Massive, we're so rich. Red Hills Road. On the side of the road, I will meet Pinky Pad, you know. We'll go over the bridge. Red Hills Road. Moving massive. I now go around and I don't think me ever really in a problem with police. Maybe because of how I stay and thing, I always try to stay on the right side of the law, if you get what I say. But police pulled me over before in the past. That was very, very disrespectful. Like, them is so disrespectful that me decide my mind say I don't want to talk to them, no time at all. Like, me didn't have to deal with the next police because I tell myself that I don't want to talk to the police at no time. It was that mad disrespectful. You understand? But yeah, man, if you're out in the street and certain police to and deal a certain way, you can't really ask to talk to a next police or so. And it was a simple spot check they were doing. And the man did go on the most way. And when I say somebody go on the most way with a man like me and not diss me, you must know. I mean not even say nothing to the man yet. Eh? there, massive. We almost made it. So, we're going. Car they start flickering the lights, you know what that means. So I'm walking at the middle, you know. Oh, that nice scene up on the moon. Come up from beyond the mountain. It's so nice. January, it's coming up so fast. I mean, look off a while ago, fully clear the mountain now. Moon is almost way up now. Raman's funeral home. It's getting dark fast, but we still are going. Almost. After this stoplight massive will be the place where we're gonna end the video. I get dark fast. Plum tree, the plum. Right now, I'm glad the island. Oh, you turn. get in there, massive. Massive across. Image 1. So yes, massive Jano, big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch this 2-hour long video. 2 hours long, massive. We're walking from 6 Mile all the way to Constant Spring Road on a normal walk. I'ma feel good because I try my best to get exercise on the weekend, you know, play some football, and then I go think the exercise a lot once I can. So for walk the journey them, and you know, if you still have the vibe and still feel refreshed, yeah, it's not normal. They look like I just this minute video, you know? Yeah. But it's a great walk. I may have my fear for go back, so yeah. So see the massive total energy. Constant Spring Road, we make it. So big up every time, massive, all who stay tuned and watch this video. You know, so I'm gonna make a call. I'm gonna make a call and find out where the barber shop name in a Mount Vernon, New York, where the youth name. Hold on the man. So massive, see there? Constant Spring Road. See it over there, so Phil's Hardware. So there where they are no joke thing. See there? I'm not joke thing. We walk it. I you see I'm not cut the video. We walk it. I'm not joke thing. So big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. Big up to Big Daddy E. Big up to how are your drone repair. Yo, Jano, get back a brand new drone on the channel. You don't know, so big up to everybody. I myself for the next driving video, I'm gonna roll out the list and start big up some people named personally. You understand? But hold on, I'm call the barber shop. I'm call Jenny's tell me the barber shop name. Right part here, me I go do it. I'm call Jenny's. I'm gonna call Lexi first. Yeah. Live and direct, I stand up right on Constant Spring Road. I'm here call. Hold on. Hold on, massive. See it there? I'm gonna call Lexi. Me still a record, but why me call you back is I want you tell me the name of the barber shop. What the youth name of the barber shop at Mount Vernon? Right now me still a record, the life by here. Me couldn't remember when name either. Here what me I go do, me I go call Jenny's and see if Jenny's can tell me life by here when name again. Puma. Ah yes, here Lexi same name Puma. So big up Puma in the barber shop at Mount Vernon. You understand? New York. That the man they always have on Jamaica walk by straight around in a shop. So big up Puma. Yeah, Lexi, her name Puma, right? Say that again, what the avenue name? One more time. 4th, as in number 4th Avenue. Alright, so the barbershop located at 4th Avenue, Mount Vernon. So big up Puma every time, see? Alright, Lexi, me soon call him up, me go close, see? Alright, cool. So yes, massive, I don't know, there you have it. Big up to everybody again, I don't know. Jamaica walk by, we're outside in the street, same speed. See? So yeah, so as me say, if you watch this thus far and you're not yet subscribed, please me ask if you subscribe to the channel. Please me ask if you click the like button and like the video, no man. Wanna wait pan. See me I say, run up the likes them man, drop some comment, make me hear. A whole heap of work that me do for you, you know. You understand? So all I massive will never see Washington Boulevard for a long time. This is Washington Boulevard in Kingston. You see me? So big up every time. Mad love, mad respect. Thanks again. I wanna make the channel reach so far. So keep subscribing if you're not yet subscribed so we can make it to the 100,000 subscriber now, man. A plaque me a deal with now, man. Help me reach the plaque now, man. Yeah. So big up every time again. Check out the Amazon storefront. The link in the description below as well. You see me, I say, remember all who want to donate towards the channel, the link in the description as well to PayPal, or you can drop them donations right now in the live chat